have heard someone say that open houses are a waste of time because they attract looky-loos and neighbors who aren't serious buyers. While that's true, I think saying they're a waste of time is a myth, especially in this market. According to the National Association of Realtors, 50% of all buyers used an open house as part of their home search process. For buyers, it's often the easiest way to look at houses when they're in the discovery phase. Agent tours are also extremely useful. A broker open gives agents a chance to tour a new listing. They may have buyers who'll be interested, and they can convey the positive attributes of the house directly to their clients. But here's the real reason I think saying open houses are a waste of time is a myth. In a seller's market where inventory is low and demand is high, an open house is the easiest and fastest way to get potential buyers in the door. The open house should be held on the first weekend the home is on the market, especially if you expect to get multiple offers. The more folks that come through, the more the excitement builds, and that hype is likely to drive the final price higher. In my opinion, open houses are a very useful tool in a realtor's arsenal. I'm Robin Taylor. For more valuable tips, click on the subscribe button. This is Real Estate Done Right.